Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to The Big Sweep. We're your ultimate destination for all things spring cleaning and organization. Today, we have an exciting challenge ahead of us. We'll be spring cleaning and transforming this chaotic, cluttered bedroom into a serene oasis. So let's get to it! The first step in any spring cleaning project is assessing the current state of chaos in the room. This room has been neglected for far too long, and it's time for a thorough spring cleaning. A bit of a makeover may be in order too. We'll analyze the space and identify any problems such as missing or broken light fixtures or shelving. Soon, you'll have a clear idea of what we're up against and the end product we are working for. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, clutter. It's time to Marie Kondo our way through this mess. Sort items into 3 categories: keep, donate, and toss. Pick up the items, one by one. If the item does not give you a feeling of joy, either toss it or donate it appropriately. If the item brings you a feeling of happiness or joy, put it in the keep pile. When you have a full donation box or bag, take it to your car immediately so you can drop it at a donation center next time you are out. When you have a full bag of items to toss, take it out right away. You will now be able to see some progress, and you should be more motivated to keep going. Things like old magazines, clothes you haven't worn in years, and items that no longer serve a purpose are things you should consider letting go of. Stick around to the end because we'll share a bonus storage idea that you won't want to miss. Remember, the goal is to create a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Now that the clutter is all gone, it's time to roll up our sleeves and give the room a good spring cleaning. We're not talking about a quick dust and vacuum. We're going all in with a proper spring deep clean. We're going to clean the ceiling fixture, empty and wipe out the closet, clean the mirrors, and make any necessary repairs. Now it's time to put things back in the dresser, all folded neatly. When it comes to the closet, invest in matching hangers. It immediately makes your closet look organized. Group similar items together, pants with pants, dresses with dresses, and so on. If you also group items by color, your closet will look amazing. Invest in some baskets or bins to contain things like shoes, sweaters, and even extra linens. If you're enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Now that your belongings are back in place, let's take care of the rest of the room. You won't believe the difference a thorough spring cleaning will make. First, let's strip the bed and get the sheets in the washer while we take care of the rest of the room. Next, use a dry microfiber mop to dust the walls, working from top to bottom. And don't forget to dust the baseboards too. Next, use a microfiber cloth and an all-natural, all-purpose cleaner to take care of any fingerprints or other grime on the walls and baseboards. Now, it's time to put your bedding in the dryer. Put the upholstery tool on your vacuum and give your mattress a good going over to pick up any dead skin or other debris. You can use a handheld steam cleaner to remove any stains that may be on the surface. If you want to really deep clean, you can steam clean the entire mattress. Now, give the entire room a good vacuuming. Make sure to move all the furniture and get those dust bunnies that have taken up residence. Since the furniture has all been moved already, you may want to reposition some or all of the pieces. This isn't just about randomly placing furniture, but arranging it in the most visually appealing way. Also, think about multifunctional furniture in order to save floor space in the room. A key to having more space is having the right storage solutions. From shelves and cabinets to clever hacks like under-bed storage, we've got you covered. There are different storage ideas for various room sizes and layouts, ensuring you have a place for everything and everything in its place. Now that the decluttering and cleaning is finished, it's time for styling and decorating. It's best to keep it simple, using fabrics and colors that reflect your personality. Keep decor pieces to a minimum so as not to take up too much space on flat surfaces. Too many knickknacks not only lead to more clutter, but they also collect dust. After hours of hard work, it's time for the big reveal. You won't believe the spring cleaning and transformation this room has undergone in just one day. But first, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. But wait, there's more! Before the big reveal, there's one more thing. The bonus hack! Before we reveal the new room, I promised you a bonus idea that will take your room organization to the next level. Alright, here it is. The bonus idea that will complete your room. It's a customizable magnetic wall organizer. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create one yourself. A magnetic wallboard is a fantastic addition to any bedroom, offering a stylish way to keep important notes, photos, and small items organized and within reach. In this brief tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create your own magnetic wallboard. It's a simple and creative project that can transform your bedroom into an organized and functional space. Materials you'll need. 1. Sheet metal. Visit your local hardware store and choose a sheet of metal that fits the size you want for your wallboard. You can often have it cut to your desired dimensions in store. 2. A frame. This is optional, but to give your wallboard a polished look, consider getting a picture frame that fits the sheet metal. 3. Magnets. Purchase strong neodymium magnets that will securely hold items on the board. 4. Paint is optional, but if you want to add a personal touch, choose a paint color for your sheet metal or frame. 5. Safety gear. Wear gloves and safety glasses when handling the sheet metal to prevent cuts. Here are the step-by-step instructions for making your personalized magnetic wallboard. Step 1 is to measure the space on your bedroom wall where you are going to hang the wallboard. Mark these measurements on a sheet metal and use tin snips or a metal cutting tool to cut it to size. If you're using a frame, ensure the sheet metal fits inside it. The second step is optional, but if you want to add some color to the board, apply some paint to the sheet metal or frame and allow it to dry. Step 3 is to attach the sheet metal to the wall. Use a strong adhesive suitable for metal and walls. Apply the adhesive to the back of the sheet metal. Carefully position the board on your wall, using a level to make sure it is perfectly straight. Apply pressure to the sheet metal for a few minutes to make sure it adheres properly. If you're using a frame, the fourth step is to attach the sheet metal according to the frame's instructions. This step adds a decorative touch and hides the edges of the sheet metal. Step 5 is the fun part, attaching neodymium magnets to the items you want to display on the wallboard. These magnets are strong and will securely hold notes and photos and other lightweight items. Arrange your items on the board any way you like. This is your chance to get creative. Step 6 is to add photos, notes, inspirational quotes, and decorative elements to your wallboard. Over time, you can easily change and rearrange items as needed. Congratulations! You've created a personalized magnetic wallboard for your bedroom. This DIY project not only adds a functional element to your room, but also allows you to express your unique style and keep your space organized. Enjoy your new magnetic wallboard. It will keep important documents, notes, and small items neatly organized and accessible. It's a brilliant solution for keeping important things close at hand while keeping your space clutter-free. And before your very eyes, your messy room has been spring cleaned and transformed into a beautifully organized space in just one day. I hope this in-depth video has inspired you to take on your clutter and create a more stylish and functional room. What was your favorite part of this spring cleaning makeover? Let us know in the comments and share any favorite spring cleaning tricks of your own. Click here for more spring cleaning inspiration. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell so you get all of the future episodes. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.